So iPhone 13 Pro Max with this Catalyst waterproof case on into water. Let's see what happens. So, okay, it's in there. It's definitely quite wet. Now I don't want to get water on me and, shock myself with the microphone right here. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, computers, tablets, cases, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Catalyst Total Protection Waterproof Case for none other than my iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. So now, before we start getting this guy out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to Catalyst for giving me this case for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, Catalyst. And anyway, now let's start getting this case out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see up here, it says Catalyst. We've got a little see-through area so we can actually see the case. It says 33-foot waterproof with 500% more waterproof compared with leading competitor. It's got 6.6-foot drop proof, and that says it's 1.65 times higher drop protection. Over here on the back, we've got a picture of the case and its various parts. It also says you can use it with a screen protector, and it says total protection case. Last but not least, over here on the front, it also does say it is compatible with wireless charging via MagSafe, although this case does not have MagSafe magnets built into it, unfortunately. But anyway, folks, let's just start getting this box open so we can open up the top over here and slide this whole thing out. Let's see what else we have in the box right here. I think I saw something else. We have a bit of paperwork right here. It looks like some silly Catalyst stickers right there, sort of like how Apple includes stickers with their stuff. So the logo and also a guy with, it looks like a kayak paddle. We can put this to the side. Over here, we got the case itself. Over here, we got the lanyard that comes with the case. That's pretty nice. We can rip this out right here. There it is. And yeah, over here, it talks about reading instructions before using the case. And anyway, let's go ahead and put this case onto my iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. So we can go ahead and start by ripping the back of the case off right here. We can put my iPhone inside of it, and then let's go ahead and put the top on right here. And then we can go ahead and make sure we squeeze it all nice and shut. And then voila, folks, it is all nice and on my iPhone. As you can see, Face ID works very nice with it right there. The screen protector also looks pretty nice and clear. I can still see the beautiful screen on my iPhone right there. We can also tell over here we got buttons for volume, so let's see how those work. Yep, you definitely have to apply quite a bit of effort to push them down right there. Over here we got this little turnable mute switch. So here we go, let's turn it, and boom, silent mode is off. And then we can also turn it the other way, and silent mode is on, silent mode off, on, just like that. Definitely reminds me of the mute switch over on the Life Proof Free, another waterproof case. It also spins around. So now next over here, let's see, on this side we've got the power button, so we can press that. Over here on the bottom, we've got a little speaker grill area right there, as well as right there. And also, I'm guessing you can open this flap up if you want to charge your phone. Is that true? Can you do that? Yes, you can. There is access to the lightning port right there if you need it. If you don't want to charge your phone wirelessly, of course. Over here, we've got places where you can put the little lanyard if you want to use that with your case. I don't really want to. And then over here on the back, I think this is cool, this translucent design, so you can still see the beautiful Sierra blue of my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and thus tell that it's a 13 because of that blue color. And yeah, we've also got a massive area over here for the rear camera array on this phone, very big cameras. So now that this case is all on my iPhone, it's time for the most stressful part of the video where I waterproof test it. So here I have quite a bit of water, and let's just dump my iPhone in it. So iPhone 13 Pro Max with this Catalyst waterproof case on into water. Let's see what happens. So, okay. It's in there. It's definitely quite wet. Now, I don't want to get water on me and, shock myself with the microphone right here. So let's be very careful. And it looks like the phone is surviving just fine. I mean, can you guys see that? Can you make it out? The phone is in there. Look, It is on as well. And guys, spoiler alert, this is a pretty uneventful water test, as you can see. While it is wet at the moment, the phone seems to be completely fine, so I'm gonna dry it off and let's see. So now folks, my iPhone 13 Pro Max right here is nice and dry, and as you can see, it works just fine. So now let's test out what pictures look like with this case on my iPhone. So we can head right here into the camera app. First, let's go ahead and take a selfie right here. Oh yeah, let's see, that looks completely good to me. Now let's go over here and take a picture of actually the Warenotice logo. So this is what that looks like with the Catalyst case on. Now we can come over here and let's do a 3x optical zoom picture with this case on, so we can actually do, how about my camera over here? So cheese, and now we took a picture of that. And then lastly folks, we can come over here and do the 0.5x zoom, where it essentially zooms out and lets you get more in the picture. So we can come over here and let's do this guy right here, this top camera, and that is what that looks like. Also looks good. And next, let's test out the video quality on the selfie camera with this Catalyst waterproof case on my phone. This is also what the audio sounds like right here. And now folks, what you guys are watching and listening to is the audio and video quality on the rear cameras with the Catalyst waterproof case on my 13 Pro Max. And now folks, one more test to run with this case. Let's test out that wireless charging, so we can go ahead and plop it down on my Apple MagSafe wireless charger. And let's see, can we get to line up? Yes, we can. So there you go. Wireless charging does work. But once again, since this case doesn't have MagSafe magnets built into it, as you can see, oh, it actually does stick. That's kind of surprising, but it is not 100% MagSafe compatible because yes, this does want to fall off more than if magnets were built in, but that was kind of cool that it did just stick for a bit right there. So now I'm curious, let's actually try it with my Apple MagSafe battery pack and see what happens. So we can come over here and let's just plop it on the phone. And yes, it is wirelessly charging, but this battery pack, unsurprisingly, does not want to stay on the phone, just as I was expecting. So that's just something to note. Catalyst, if you guys are watching this, next time definitely add MagSafe compatibility to your case, because I'm a huge fan of MagSafe. But yeah, at least it can still wirelessly charge through this case. And I mean, yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about this Catalyst Total Protection waterproof case right here for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, if you guys want this case for yourself, it will set you back about $90. So yes, it's on the more expensive side of phone cases, but it is waterproof. So that does make sense right there. Also, definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you guys are in the market for your very own iPhone 13 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different 13 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.